Mostly when we have a translation, we have the most Google Translate app. So when we translate here, for example, like we write it good morning, right? If we translate in Portuguese language, is called bom dia. So what we do, normal translation is okay, but especially in the chat, if you chat with people, it's almost very difficult because in the chat, if you copy from here and then you go to copy, for example, you go to your WhatsApp chat and then you write it here, boom dia, like this, and then someone send you message, and then you will have you have to copy again from here and here, and then you go to Google Translation here, right? Then you paste there, and then you search again, for example, uh, you just enter it, go Portuguese, detect language Portuguese. So you have to translate here in English, and then you get it. Here is a good morning, right? So it's a very difficult for chat, but if sometime only for some text, you can do it. But if you want to chat, I search many software. There's a many softwares here when I search. But for example, if you write translate, there's a many different translation software will come. So there's a confusion how you can chat very fast with your friend for business or any kind of um, relation. So I find the very nice translator is called Hi Translator. This is number one. Here comes, and this is not very famous, but because a lot of people they don't know about it. So I install it. When you open it, install it, and you open it, you can see there is a open translation ball. When you click on it, you can see this ball will become on your screen. So this ball will be go on the side just like this here, or just you click, yeah, and just it will be dragged to the corner, so it's not make you any irritating. So here you can choose the languages. There's a different kind of languages, mostly famous one in here, your language, for example, English, international language. So you go to just click it, and then you go to WhatsApp. When you go to WhatsApp, there is a ball here, and when you click here, for example, you can see good morning. For example, I write it here, how is business? Okay, so now I'm going to send in Portuguese language or whatever language you like to choose it. You just click on it, it will change and it will go on like this. So another person is from whatever their language, Chinese, French, Spanish, Korean, Japanese. So you just have to write the language in English. That's great. And you can write it here, and then you just click it in their own language. So this app is very nice and very quick chat. You don't have to translate anything. You just click on, and when they've sent the message to you in the same language, you just click on it, so you're gonna know what they are saying to you. And then again you write it in here, English, whatever you want, and you just click on it. It will translate. For example, you see, type a message, it's English, and when you click on it, it can change to whatever language you choose it on your app. So here's the app, and you see here the language option. So you can choose, for example, Portuguese and Farsi, Hindi, Turkish, Italiano, and different kind of languages. So it's, for me, if currently they don't have a lot of options, but anyway, this for me is very useful. So every person who chat with the international people, different kind of work for business, I think this app is very useful. And you say it goes very nicely on the corner, so you don't feel it disturb anything, and you just drag from here. And when you rover, and for example, if you open a page, it's like a Portuguese language page. For example, I open the new one here, and Chinese, Chinese, Chinese food. So language, Chinese language. For example, if you going to any website and there is a Chinese language, or maybe now I can't, Google didn't show me the Chinese language at all because they know my language is in English. I'm trying to find some Portuguese or language. Okay, for example, might be I can find some Portugal stuff. Yeah, something here, and I can just roll over here. Thank you. For example, here, please. You see, thank you. They write it here on the website. On the website, I can straight away any kind of website you open, so you can just click this one on that, and you can just get the meaning what the website saying. So I mean, this app is very good, so I just want to introduce this app called Hi Translate. So you should to install it, and it's very useful. Hope you like the video. Thumbs up for get more knowledgeable video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.